If you encounter the OnePlus Switch not working problem when transferring files, you can refer to the following troubleshooting to try to fix the problem. Problem 1. OnePlus Switch won't pop up the data selection interface. How to fix? Check if you have put a SIM card on the target OnePlus. If not, insert one. Then, switch off mobile data via pulling down the drop-down screen on your source phone and restart both devices to relaunch the app again. Problem 2. OnePlus Switch does not work after data selection. How to fix? Switch off mobile data, enable Wi-Fi connection and airphone mode on both phones. Then close all launched apps and launch OnePlus Switch on both devices, only to try again. Problem 3. OnePlus Switch gets stuck during transfer. How to fix? Turn off all opened internet pages on 2 devices to check whether the problem exists, or uninstall and reinstall the app and try again. Problem 4. OnePlus Switch cannot recognize the file you are transferring to Op Backup folder. How to fix? In this case, you can transfer the Op Backup file to computer to install a free Oxygenos version and send the Op Backup file to phones. Problem 5. OnePlus Switch gets crashed when launching. How to fix? Check if your Android devices run Android 5.0 and higher versions. If not, it may be not compatible with your devices. If both phones support this app, you can uninstall and reinstall it to try again or check if there is enough storage on your phones. And if the problem exists, you can give feedback to OnePlus support team to fix bugs.